This RC car has a 2.4 GHz wireless frequency that creates a super stable connection. It has an anti-jamming function which allows multiple users to play at the same time. The car can be controlled from over 80 yards away. The car has an aluminum alloy body that makes it super resistant and shockproof. It will not break if it falls from high altitudes. It comes with bumpers on both the front and rear that will protect the frame. The car comes with anti-slip tires, which makes it have amazing climbing ability. You may notice that most remote control cars are quite small, usually at a 1:18 ratio. This car has a 1:14 scale, which gives a more realistic appearance with room for better car styling and vivid colors. The car can reach speeds up to 25 miles per hour. It comes with 2 rechargeable batteries, and make sure to charge them as they're transported in low power. The package comes with an easy-to-use USB charger for the batteries. After charging, the batteries offer around 15 to 25 minutes of playtime. It also comes with a screwdriver pack with extra screws, so it's super convenient. I think this toy is great for any kid in your life. It's super easy and fun to play with, and I highly recommend it.